Where do I? Can you my press?
Don't make carry this back. It's on.
Oh, you just. What I just press? What will I just?
You don't need to press anything.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You never see the pictures from your phone. Yeah. Oh, why? Oh, video. Can you take
Okay.
a picture?
Okay.
Don't cover my video like that.
You want the cart?
Yes. Do you guys know this lady behind me? This mannequin. Oh wow, they can see her face. Where you hiding? Yes. And this is great footballer.
Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok.
What's your Instagram? Hold on.
I think we need to go.
How about you? What's your Instagram page?
I was not sure, right?
Call me not sure.
Komi? Oh, okay. Alright guys, this is my people. My people. This is my wife. I brought her a deshi from Nigeria. Do you know what a deshi is? Huh? No. A deshi is juju. So that you'll be strong. So when I came back, all these guys thought they were taller than me, but it turned out that I'm as tall as all.
Yeah, the shortest person in the house.
No, that's not true. I don't know why you guys are
I
saying
think we need
this.
to go to
You guys came here. I think it's open now. You have Easy Pass? Okay, you do.
No.
So guys, this is me in New Jersey. When I addressed you earlier, I was in Washington DC. That was my first place of arrival. And then I flew to New Jersey. And then here I am with my family. You know, all of you know my wife. She's very shy. Yo, take that shit. Mr.
The
lion, the conqueror, the champion is here.
Yes.
Again,
Fearless.
the champion is here. Oh, in America. Look at that shit. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my God. The conqueror, the champion, the lion is here.
The lion is here.
Zonwu. The man is in the house. Mr. Show. Yeah. Take three. Take three. No be ordinary. Take three. Now show they take three ordinary in America. After 5 good years, injustice on him, but finally. The man is the lion. Defeated.
Thank you for
not ordinary.
You are a fighter.
We really appreciate you, Mr. Show, for fighting, standing
We
up
must
for
take it back one day.
Take it back is right. We are going home. Yes, revolution is here. The master. Oh, we can't do without you. You're giving us hope.
Yes.
We started this in 2019. All the way. Yes, what do you call it? Assurance restaurant. Mr. P is supposed to be here too, Peter. He's supposed to come, but he said we're going to host you differently.
No, absolutely.
We're going to host you differently, man.
Different levels now.
Yes, we're happy.
Let me call this my guy that just arrived from.
Yes, where mommy?
This that guy.
You go see that woman try. That woman try.
We4We Media Pinnacle Entertainment.